Hey, my name is Susan Fouché. I am a top-rated Fiverr seller, and this video is for you if you want to increase your sales on Fiverr. I release new Fiverr videos every single week, so be sure to subscribe for new content that is relevant to you as a Fiverr seller. And of course, these videos are for all Fiverr sellers, no matter what you sell. So in this video, I am going to attempt to answer the question, how long does it take to start earning a living on Fiverr? And in this video, in just a minute, I'm going to give you some really good tips, 2 tips actually, that will improve your sales dramatically if you follow them. So to answer the question, how long does it take to earn a living on Fiverr? It's really up to you. There's this kind of like idea that right now the money that you're making as a freelancer is because of the choices that you've made in the past. So if you want to start to increase your sales, give it a 6-month increment. Give it a 12-month increment. It's not going to happen overnight. You're going to have to keep on working on it. So I would say, give it 6 months, see where you are. You should see a double maybe in your sales. I mean, if all you're doing is making $500 a month in sales right now on Fiverr, doubling it is $1,000 a month. And that's not bad as a side hustle. In another 6 months, you could double that again, and that's $2,000 a month. Give it 6 months time, really work in your Fiverr marketing, which is what the 6 steps to 6 figures is all about. It's about marketing. So let's go ahead and get into those 2 tips. Here we go. One of my 2 tips that I'll talk about in this video is to start thinking like your potential customers. So for example, if you on Fiverr sell your service is you can make drop shipping Shopify stores, then you need to start thinking as your buyer and start thinking what would be the words that they would be searching for when they are searching for somebody who can do your services. So for example, I typed in, if I did Amazon drop shipping and I wanted to make a Shopify store and I wanted to hire somebody on Fiverr, what would I type in my search results to find somebody like you who could make me a drop shipping store? Well, I would type in make Shopify drop shipping store, or maybe create Shopify store, something like that. And here's my web results right here. Here's my results that I get on Fiverr when I am looking for that, when I'm actually thinking like a customer in the most rudimentary form possible. How would they be thinking? Who are they looking for? What would they type in? And my search results come up with this. Now, what I do with these results is I simply look at my competition. So if you are not making sales on Fiverr, that's really the first thing that you need to do. Start thinking like you're a customer. Start doing searches on Fiverr for your business, and then look at your competition and see the competition who's doing really well and look at how they are presenting themselves. So that's the first thing. Number 1, just doing your research. And if you will commit to doing this step just every day for 5 days, you will get a really good idea of what you need to be doing differently on your Fiverr gigs. Now, here's the second thing that you'll want to do. Again, if you have a really good service and you need to beef up your marketing, to get on the front page in the Fiverr search results, you have to have your keywords grouped together in a group as your potential client is looking for and is typing in your title, in your description, and in your tags. So that doesn't just mean that you can just have Shopify store in your title, in your description, and in your tags and expect to be front and center. what you have to do is you have to have that group of words in the right order in your title or in your description or in your tags. So, for example, I am looking for make Shopify dropshipping store. I can see that this guy right here, who's a level 1 seller, but who's done 62, he's got 62 reviews, so he's doing something right, that he's got that group of words, Shopify dropshipping store. It's grouped together. He has that group of 3 words together. It's not just dropshipping, it's not just store, it's not just Shopify. It's those 3 words together in the correct order. Same thing right here. And this person's doing pretty well too. 125 reviews, level 2 seller. In the title, Shopify dropshipping store. This guy right here, top rated seller. He's doing great. That group of words again is appearing in his title, Shopify dropshipping store. Now, let's look at these 2 right here, though. And they're doing something that's really smart because I may not be, if I have an Amazon site and I want to make a Shopify store, dropshipping store, I may not search for Shopify dropshipping store. I may instead search for Shopify website, which makes total sense. And look at these 2 sellers right here. They not only have the clump of words Shopify dropshipping store, but they also have Shopify website together because that is what people are looking for. And that's what you've got to appeal to get into the top results of the algorithm on Fiverr. Fiverr is just a search engine. I mean, you put your services up there, and then Fiverr mixes it up and finds the best search results for people who are looking for those services. So I don't know that there's necessarily like some magic like formula on Fiverr that, the Fiverr fairies are out and they're just going to pick these people at random. They're picking the sellers who are matching what the searches are, what people are searching for. So those searches those clump of words need to show up not only in the title, but also in the description and also in the tags. So let's look at this top rated seller right here. All right. So he's got that group of words, Shopify dropshipping store and Shopify website in his title. But let's look at his description. In his description, he's also got Shopify website design, which is something that a potential customer could be searching for. He also has the words just Shopify dropshipping several times together. Now, you only need that clump of words once, either in your title, your description, or your tag. So you don't have to just, throw all those words grouped together, over and over and over again. Fiverr's just looking for it once. But in this particular seller's description, he also has some words that might also crop up in searches, which is expert product research, Shopify expert product research. People may be looking for that, doing product research. Shopify website logo, they may be looking for that as well. Shopify apps, Shopify store SEO. These are all words and groups of words that potential customers would be searching for. And I can see why this particular seller is so high up and makes so many sales. And it's because he's really crafted his description to match what customers are looking for. So remember that first, tip that I gave you. Think like your customer. And then once you start thinking like your customer, apply how that customer is thinking into your title, into your description, and into your tags. Again, Shopify store support. That's also something that somebody may be looking for. And Shopify store consultation. These are all key words. These are all groups of words that people may be looking for. And he's going to show up in those search results for every single one of those searches. Now, let's go ahead down and look at his tags. And I want to show you kind of like a bonus way to increase your sales as well. All right, so in his related tags, he's got, basically like all of these tags. Again, Shopify, Shopify store, et cetera, et cetera. Now, like I said, you only need the tags once, that group of words once, either in your title, your description, or your tags. You don't need to just, keep throwing them in there. But one thing that you can do when you look at your competition is if you'll go up to the tags, you'll notice that they're all hyperlinked. And so whenever I click on, for example, Shopify dropshipping, that's going to show me my results of all of the other sellers get the best Shopify dropshipping services who have these as their tags. And so this, if I made Shopify dropshipping stores, websites, this is my competition. I'm going to be looking at these people to see what they're doing. So number one, think like your customer. Number two, research your competition and see what they're doing. But first, have a really good service. I mean, don't just have a crappy service. Have a really, really, really good service. And you should be able to increase your sales quite a bit. It's an incremental journey. It doesn't happen overnight. The idea is that you're just getting better and better and better every day. So up here, I've got the actual link to the video, very comprehensive video for all the 6 steps to 6 figures. Titles, description, that's all part of the 6 steps. You can watch that video if you want to right now, or you can wait till the end, and that is in the description as well. Also in the description is a place that you can go, or you can download a PDF for the 6 steps to 6 figures, and you can print that out, put it in your workstation. Make sure that you are following those 6 steps every single day to increase your sales. It's all about earning a living as a freelancer, and that's my goal for you. So thanks for watching. Be sure and like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching to the end. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a successful week. Bye.